get started, click subscribe button, turn on notifications, click the bell, and give me a huge thumbs up. I'm gonna teach you how to make paper squishy. The Crayola squishy, the iPhone 11 squishy, iPad Apple squishy, which is small, and what my favorite part is the waffle squishy. This took an hour to tape, but it's good. Doritos. My types of squishy that I have. I think a donut, but I failed that one, but that's okay. A hot dog. Rainbow pillow, but I'm gonna do it no popcorn. I like the pizza super much. Squishy guys, the supplies, you need some crayons or colors, and you have a bond paper, but any size, a pencil, and a tape. But it should be big tape, not small tape, because it will take an hour. But if you have small tape, that's okay. So I'm gonna teach you how to make paper squishy. So I'm gonna fold it in half. Okay, then I'm gonna draw. You can just draw any, like a pretzel, or today I'm gonna draw. But I'm gonna see. Oh, I think a heart or heart squishy. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Out of the red of ink, so I just use orange and pink. Let's laminate it. We need to laminate it, guys. Super nicey, right? I was like thinking that should be noisy, but that was okay. And cut it. You have to bring a scissor too. I forgot, guys. But you have to use a scissor to cut it. I'm just gonna cut like this so we can just add stuffing. And make sure that you laminate it at the sides, but not on the top, because you have to put stuffing in there. My stuffing I'm using is bubble wrap, which is my favorite. Well, I'm gonna make a magic. Laminate again. Actually, you have to laminate this, and after you put stuffing, you have to put tape so the stuffing will go out. But first, I have to. I always want to put them on. Then right here you have the squishy, and I hope you. Okay, look at my squishy. I'm super happy I made a paper squishy. Oh my gosh, this result is super relaxing. Thank you guys for watching this video. And see you again on our next episodes of Let's Play, Let's Learn, and Grow Together. Goodbye, guys. Peace.